One of the biggest challenges organizations face in managing technology across multiple locations is ensuring consistent user experience.
Different standards, different execution, and limited visibility across the organization.
From an end user's perspective, that is certainly frustrating and often leads to the underutilization of enabling technologies.
At Telate, we solve that by standardizing the hardware infrastructure stack from end to end.
Training and documentation become key to the success of the project. Applying the technology in different environments, making sure that the programming applies to draw the data out of the environment consistently and accurately. We use the technology solution team to do the programming, and then we use our QC process in the field to make sure that things are working as intended.
So no matter where someone works, the experience feels familiar, dependable, and easy to use.
How do we ensure consistency across the enterprise when we're deploying across the nation throughout North America?
We standardize the technology and workflows across every location.
And we drive centralized visibility across every site for our customers.
We try to leverage our Technology Solution Center, which we call the TSC. The TSC allows us to do many of the configurations before it's shipped. This allows us to create consistent configurations. This ensures that those configurations are applied across the board. And this allows the technicians in the field to concentrate on what they're there for.
We approach it with clear deployment standards, disciplined execution from our PMO and our field teams.
At the same time, we build in flexibility so each store can operate the way it needs to. The result is a secure, reliable experience that feels the same everywhere, even when teams or locations operate differently. A common misconception is that deploying new technology is quick.
Just flip a switch, everything works magically. In reality, deployment is where the real work starts. Timelines are driven by site readiness, the logistics, technician training, and a lot of coordination behind the scenes.
So for us, when we're rolling out that new technology, we want to do that in a manner that allows us to train the teams out in the field so that they can then work and apply what they've learned through our training in a consistent manner.
It might feel slower up front, but it's actually going to save you from the classic, we deployed it everywhere and got it out there, but now we're having to go back and fix it everywhere.
That allows them to get optimized very quickly because they learn how to do things in the most efficient manner.
When organizations allow time to do it right, users get a smoother rollout and technology that works as expected on day one.